Okay guys, if you want to keep warm this winter, then check out this electric blanket that I just bought for nearly half price. This is the Silent Night king size electric under blanket. So basically it goes between your body and your mattress, so underneath your sheets. You can run this for as little as 2p for the entire night. It has 3 heat settings and can be left on safely all night, although I like to use mine with these digital electric socket timers to save even more money. Now I bought the king size. As you can see, it fits my bed perfectly. And this model is retailing for around £50 to £55, but if you head on over to Asda, they currently have them on sale, listed for only £32 for the king size and £22 for the single, which is a saving of around 42%. Now I checked with Comfy Quilts, the company that owns Silent Night, and they confirmed that these are the exact same item. The only difference is the packaging. So guys, if you want to keep your energy bill low and still stay warm this winter, check out these electric blankets and remember to sign up to TopCashBack. Link is in the bio. It is completely free, but it lets you save money every time you buy online. And guys, I will be doing a full review of this item, so if you are interested in that, head on over to the YouTube channel Adventures in Rice. Again, link in the bio, and watch out for that.